friends, this is Chef Aditya bringing you a quick salad recipe. So we have got some cucumber, a small turnip, onion, tomato, some cheese, bit of jaggery. Then we have some blackberries, olives and curd or yogurt to make some dressing with the seasonings. I've got garlic salt, black salt, English mustard and black pepper. A bowl to mix later. So we'll start with the cucumber first. You can cut it any ways you want. Now for the dressing, we'll take some yogurt. I'll just grate some jaggery into it. This will give the tanginess. Black pepper. Some black salt into it. So the dressing is ready now. Now I'm going to take this dressing and I'll take some blackberries and I'm just going to crush them a little. These are a little sour in taste, so this will give a bit of pungency to the salad. Now we'll take the olives and just chop them into uneven small pieces. So we have got the berries and we have got the dressing, we have got all the vegetables and the olives. Now I am going to transfer it into a little bigger plate so that the mixing is easier. Garnish it with rest of the berries and the olives on the top. Now just before serving the salad, we can garnish it with some grated cheese on the top. So the salad is ready. Just enjoy your salad now. Bon appetit. Thank you.